Get ready with me. Let's use my Glow Recipe Toner. So I'm going to sleep in like an hour. But I was like, why not do my skincare? Okay. Back to life. Alright, my face is clean. I took off my foundation. Let's use my Drunk Elephant moisturizer. Today has been so boring. I just don't like it. There's no drama or nothing. I'm kind of a drama queen, so I love drama. Mix, mix, mix. Let's use the serum. The only thing it says is moisturize and nutrition. And yeah, and I don't know what this is. Don't know. So today I just stayed home for almost 2 days. But I did went to the supermarket with my mom. It was actually not that bad in the supermarket. But we went to another supermarket and it smelled horrible. I really love this serum. Let's use this oil. I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to put it on my face. It is very oily. Let's use my brush. Let's go with this. Even though I don't know what it is. So if somebody says this to you, if they say oh, your style's so ugly, you're so ugly, just say this to your mind. You're just jealous, okay? Jealous, jealous, jealous. Girl, get the confidence, alright? Period. But that's it for skincare. Bye!